Today, we're exploring simulation games, and trust me, 2025 is shaping up to be an incredible year for this genre. Whether you're into building, racing, surviving, or managing, there's something for everyone in the upcoming simulation titles. From realistic farming and city building to quirky and out-of-the-box experiences, 2025 promises to bring some of the most exciting, immersive, and thought-provoking simulation games ever made. So buckle up as we take you through the 20 most anticipated simulation games you need to know about. Starting off our list at number 20, we have inZOI, which is currently in early access on Steam. This life simulation game takes the genre to the next level by allowing players to immerse themselves in fully detailed cities, where every corner holds a new opportunity for exploration. What's unique here is the level of customization. You don't just create characters, you shape their entire lives, including their relationships, careers, and even personal philosophies. The AI is designed to adapt based on your actions, creating a dynamic world that feels alive and reactive. While it's still in development, inZOI has already garnered attention for its expansive potential and deep social simulation mechanics. If you're a fan of games like The Sims, this one is definitely worth watching. Next up, at number 19, we've got Forza Horizon 5, which is making its way to the PlayStation 5 in 2025. While this game isn't strictly a pure simulation, the attention to detail in the driving mechanics, the realistic car physics, and the expansive open-world environment make it stand out in the realm of simulation games. Set in a vibrant, Mexico-inspired world, the game invites you to race across diverse terrains, from lush jungles to barren deserts, all while enjoying incredibly lifelike car models and weather systems. Whether you're a casual racer or a hardcore driving enthusiast, Forza Horizon 5 will offer an immersive experience with its expansive and breathtaking visuals. At number 18, Schedule 1 might just be one of the most controversial entries on this list. This simulation game lets you step into the shoes of an underground drug dealer, managing your empire while dealing with a range of challenges, from law enforcement to rival gangs. The game's cartoonish art style and humorous narrative make light of a heavy subject, offering a quirky twist on the typical management sim. You'll create your character, set up shop, and recruit a cast of colorful characters, all while navigating the consequences of your actions. While the theme may not be for everyone, its satire and unique gameplay mechanics offer a fresh take on the simulation genre. Coming in at number 17, Deliver at All Costs is an open-world delivery simulation game that combines chaos, destruction, and fast-paced action. The game challenges you to deliver packages across dangerous terrains, where every turn brings new obstacles. Whether you're dodging wild animals, navigating through floods, or avoiding roadblocks, the goal is simple: deliver the package in one piece. The game features an array of customizable trucks and delivery vehicles, allowing you to upgrade and adapt your transport options to fit the chaos you'll encounter. If you love games like Crazy Taxi or American Truck Simulator, this one is a must-have for your list. Number 16 brings us a deceptively simple game. A game about digging a hole. This game is exactly what the title promises: digging. But it's so much more than that. The game challenges you to dig deeper into the earth, managing your tools, resources, and the occasional cave-in. The deeper you go, the more complicated it becomes, with new materials to mine and challenges to overcome. It's a game that taps into that satisfying one-more-turn gameplay, where each new layer reveals something intriguing. Whether you're a fan of Minecraft or Terraria, a game about digging a hole will scratch that itch for resource management and progression. At number 15, we have Falling Frontier. This deep sci-fi strategy simulator lets you command a spaceship and manage your crew as you navigate the cold, empty void of space. The game blends tactical decision-making with real-time combat, as you'll need to plot your course, manage resources, and engage in space battles while keeping an eye on your crew's morale. The game's attention to detail in space physics and resource management makes it a standout in the space simulation genre. If you're a fan of games like XCOM or Homeworld, Falling Frontier will immerse you in the vastness of space with every decision you make. At number 14, Roadcraft brings the world of construction to life. In this game, you'll be tasked with cleaning up and rebuilding roads, bridges, and entire areas that have been hit by natural disasters. Using massive construction vehicles like bulldozers, cranes, and excavators, You'll clear rubble, rebuild infrastructure, and make sure everything is up and running again. The game offers a satisfying sense of progress as you move through each level, restoring order to chaotic environments. If you've ever dreamed of running your own construction site, this game is for you. Coming in at number 13, we have Rematch, a football simulation game that is set to redefine the genre. Developed by the creators of Sifu, this game promises to combine realistic player mechanics, strategic team management, and a deep tactical experience. The game's focus on player development, team chemistry, and match strategies will appeal to anyone who loves both football and simulation games. Whether you're a manager or a player, the game offers multiple modes, including the ability to control every aspect of your team's journey, from preseason training to international tournaments. At number 12, Storer Parkour Pro lets you live the dream of performing parkour in a fully realized city. This game offers a sandbox experience where you can create and perform your own parkour runs, experimenting with different moves, jumps, and flips. The game places a strong emphasis on fluid movement and realistic physics, challenging you to master the art of parkour while exploring detailed urban environments. It's a great pick for anyone looking to combine creativity with athleticism in a simulation experience. At number 11, we step into the glamorous yet gritty world of Hollywood Animal, where you manage a film production company. You'll work with actors, directors, and producers to create blockbusters, navigate industry politics, and make decisions that could lead to stardom or failure. The game offers a dynamic simulation of the movie-making process, with a focus on managing talent, finances, and the media. If you've ever dreamed of running your own film empire, this game will allow you to do just that, all while balancing the drama of the industry. At number 10, we've got The Precinct. This one stands out as a really promising police simulator. Set in a fictional 1980s city, it captures that gritty retro vibe perfectly. You start off as a regular beat cop, patrolling neighborhoods, stopping drivers, issuing tickets, the everyday stuff. But the cool part is how you progress. You can rise through the ranks and eventually become a detective, diving into investigations, solving cases, engaging in shootouts, and wild car chases. The game promises a full sandbox experience, letting you choose your approach, how you arrest suspects, which weapons you use. Next up at number 9 is Rise of Industry 2. This title is shaping up to be a solid follow-up to the original, which was widely appreciated. Think of it as a strategic economic simulator where you manage production lines, construct factories, grow farms, and handle the ins and outs of transportation and trade. It's like SimCity, but focused entirely on the business side of things. This sequel is adding a unique twist by adopting a slick 1980s America style, playing on themes of capitalism and geopolitical strategy. The visual style is charming, and the mechanics seem deep and satisfying. While there's no confirmed date just yet, at number 8, we've got Hunting Simulator 3, brought to us by Nacon. This entry aims to elevate the hunting sim experience to the next level. Even if you've never hunted in real life, these games offer a peaceful yet thrilling way to explore nature, track animals, and engage in realistic hunting scenarios. The developers are emphasizing authenticity, with detailed animal behavior, dynamic ecosystems, and immersive environments. Whether you're into the challenge or just love the idea of roaming through beautifully rendered forests, Hunting Simulator 3 is worth a look. Sliding in at number 7 is Wreckfest 2, which is essentially a full-throttle demolition derby sim. If you enjoy chaotic racing, spectacular crashes, and cars literally falling apart mid-race, this is the game for you. It builds on the success of the first Wreckfest by refining the damage physics and making the destruction more realistic than ever, or you're slamming opponents into walls. Coming in at number 6 is Assetto Corsa Evo. If you're after ultra-realistic driving sims, this one's at the top of the list. Unlike arcade-style racers like Forza Horizon, this title is all about precision, authentic vehicle handling, real-world tracks, and detailed physics. The Assetto Corsa franchise has always been praised for its commitment to realism, and EVO continues that legacy. While it's still in early access and light on features, the core driving experience is spot on. From how the car grips the road to how it responds under pressure, this one's tailored for true racing enthusiasts. At number 5, we've got Copa City. Instead of controlling players on the field, you're behind the scenes managing the infrastructure around football matches. Think of it as a stadium and event manager sim, building training grounds, customizing seating layouts, planning fan zones, and more. It's an interesting twist on the sports sim genre, putting you in charge of everything but the game itself. With the focus on logistics, atmosphere, and fan experience, Copa City offers a fresh way to engage with the world of football. It's expected to arrive sometime in 2025. At number 4, we've got the much-anticipated Civilization 7. This one has sparked a lot of conversation in the community due to some major gameplay shifts. Rather than guiding one civilization throughout the entire span of history, the game mixes things up, offering new mechanics that change your trajectory at various stages. Some longtime fans find the new pacing a bit different, but it still holds true to the core Civ elements: exploring the world, managing resources, researching tech, and building up power. The art, historical figures, and strategy are as engaging as ever. Whether the new formula will stick around or not, it's clear that Civilization 7 is still addictively fun. At number 3, we've got Architect Life, a house design simulator. This one is a dream come true for fans of designing and decorating homes. You take on the role of an architect, crafting houses from scratch, both structurally and stylistically. From blueprints to final interiors, you get to control every detail. It's got a really sleek visual design and looks to offer a deep but intuitive experience for creative players. Taking the number 2 spot is Death Stranding 2. Yes, we're kind of having fun with this one because calling it a walking simulator is both a joke and kind of accurate. But it's so much more than that. In Death Stranding, you explore vast and often dangerous environments, transporting cargo, forming connections, and unfolding a bizarre but compelling story. The sequel looks like it's expanding those ideas with new landscapes, characters, and mechanics. Whether you found the first game weird or wonderful, Death Stranding 2 is shaping up to be another unforgettable journey. It's expected to drop in 2025. And finally, at number 1, we have JDM Japanese Drift Master. If you're into Japanese car culture and the art of drifting, this is definitely one to watch. It combines tight, winding roads with a focus on precision drifting using stylish JDM cars. The visuals are beautiful, and the game incorporates a bit of story and manga-inspired artwork to keep things interesting. It's not just about racing, it's about mastering your technique and style in a way that feels true to the drifting scene. JDM Japanese Drift Master is sliding into release on May 21st, 2025. Which games are you most excited to play? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more awesome gaming content coming your way. Until next time, happy gaming!